This video shows how to add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators in fast way. That is, without finding the common denominators. The method that we will be using is simply cross multiplication. So let's have 4 over 5 plus 4 over 7. So first step, multiply 4 times 7. It will give us 28 plus 5 times 4 is equal to 20 over. What will be your denominator? Just multiply 5 times 7 is equal to 35 equals. Add 28 and 20, it gives us 48 over 35. In working with fractions, you must express your final answer in simplest form. So what is 48 over 35? This is simply divide 48 by 35 is 1 times 35 is 35, and 48 take away 35 is 13. So therefore 48 over 35 is also equal to 1 and 13 over 35. Next, what is 8 over 7 plus 4 over 3? Multiply 8 and 3. By the way, the reason why I'm always multiplying this, because the rule is we have to start from the left to right, or else your answer will be wrong. So what is 8 times 3? That is 24. Then 7 times 4 is equal to 28 over. What is our denominator? You are right. Multiply 7 and 3 gives us 21. What is 24 plus 28? That is 52 over 21. In simplest form, 52 divided by 21 is equal to 2, and 10 over 21 is the answer. How about if you're adding mixed numbers? The first thing that you need to do is to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. First, multiply 4 and 2, and that is 8. Add 3. What is 4 times 2? 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Then, copy the denominator. Same thing with the other mixed number. We have 2 times 3 is equal to 6, plus 1 is equal to 7. So 7, copy the denominator, and once you convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions, you can now do the same. Follow the same step. 11 times 2 is equal to 22, plus 4 times 7 is equal to 28 over 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and then add 22 plus 28 is equal to 50 over 8. 50 and 8 are both divisible by 2. So 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So what is 25 divided by 4? So if you divide, it will give us 6 and 1/4. How about subtraction of the similar fractions? Is there a difference? There is no difference, but the only thing is you need to subtract. So let's follow the same steps. Multiply 5 times 5 gives us 25. Then 3 times 2. This time it is subtraction, which is 6 over. You are correct. Just simply multiply 3 and 5 gives us 15. So what is 25? Take away 6. 19. Copy the denominator 15. Simplest form, just simply divide, will give us 1 and 4 over 15. Let us try 7 over 4, take away 6 over 7. Cross multiply. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Take away 4 times 6 is equal to 24 over 4 times 7 is 28. 49 take away 24 is equal to 25. Copy the denominator, and this is our final answer. Why? We can simplify 25 and 28 because they are both prime. And lastly, subtraction of mixed numbers. Same thing. Convert this to improper fraction. 4 times 5, or rather 4 times 15 is 60, plus 3 is equal to 63. Copy the denominator. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 5 is equal to 53. Copy the denominator. And let's follow the same process. 63 times 6 is equal to 378. Then 4 times 53 is equal to 212. And the denominator will be 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So what is 378 take away 212? That is 166 over, copy the denominator, which is 24. So as you can see, 166 and 24 are both divisible by 2. So 166 divided by 2 is equal to 83. And 24 divided by 2 is 12. And divide 83 by 12, it will give us 6 and 11 over 12.